Hello students, today in this video we will do one numerical, and in this numerical you will learn how to calculate cost of goods sold, operating ratio and operating profit ratio. So let's get start the video. So here is question number 13. Given that closing stock rupees 30,000, opening stock rupees 20,000, sales rupees 1 lakh, administrative and selling expenses rupees 20,000 and purchases rupees 70,000. Find out the operating ratio. So students, on the basis of these information we have to find out the value of operating ratio. So let's get start the question. So first of all we will write find out the operating ratio. We must know the what is the actual question. Now we must know what is the formula of operating ratio. Operating ratio formula is very simple. Operating ratio is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses upon sales multiplied by 100. So on the basis of operating ratio formula, we must know which value is available, which value is not available. That we must know. So cost of goods sold is required. So first of all, we have to calculate the value of cost of goods sold, because with the help of cost of goods sold we can calculate the value of operating ratio. So how we can calculate the cost of goods sold? Firstly we will write the opening stock, add purchases, and from the these values we will subtract the value of closing stock. As you know that by preparing trading account we can also find the value of cost of goods sold also. So opening stock value is given, that is rupees 20,000, because opening stock is available at cost, purchases is also available at cost, and closing stock is also available at cost. So opening stock value and purchases value is to be 70,000. Add up these values and subtract the closing stock value. Closing stock value is rupees 30,000 given, and after subtraction we will get rupees 60,000. That is a value of cost of goods sold. Sales value is different and cost of goods sold value is different. In the sales value profit is included, but in the cost of goods sold only cost is there. No profit is included in the cost of goods sold or COGS. COGS stands for the cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold value you can also calculate it by preparing trading account. Simply write the debit items and credit items, and the difference between the both sides represents the cost of goods sold. Now we have to calculate operating ratio. Operating ratio formula is cost of goods sold. You can say it COGS also. COGS plus operating expenses. Operating expenses are those expenses that help the business to carry out a day-to-day business, day-to-day activities. So COGS plus operating expenses multiply by 100 upon sales. So COGS value is rupees 60,000 plus operating expenses. Now in the question operating expenses are what? In the question you can see administrative and selling expenses rupees 20,000, and that represents the operating expenses of a business. So administrative and selling expenses are the operating expenses, and we will add up these value with the COGS rupees operating expenses value is rupees 20,000. divided by sales value. Sales value is also given in the question, that is rupees 1 lakh. Multiply by 100 and we will calculate it, solve it, and the percentage is operating ratio is 80%. So overall हमारी profit operating ratio is, so overall our operating ratio is 80%. It is our answer, because in the question simply they ask find out the operating ratio. Now you can see this, it's very easy way to calculate the operating ratio. Sometimes in the questions one more question can be asked, find out the operating ratio and also find out the operating profit ratio. So you can see that our operating ratio is 80%. Now how to question is that, now the question is that how to find out the operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio is also based on the operating ratio. So you know that the operating ratio is 80%. How to calculate operating profit ratio? Deduct the value of operating ratio from the 100. We will get the operating profit ratio, because profit represents the margin. Out of 100 we will deduct the operating ratio, that is 80%, and the operating profit ratio comes is equal to 20%. So this is our answer. It's very easy to calculate. So students, in this video you have learned how to find out the cost of goods sold, how to calculate operating ratio, how to calculate the operating profit ratio. So students, in this video only this much. Thank you. Thanks for watching.